Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Shambhu Yadav, a neuroscientist and a stress biologist at Harvard. I'm so glad you are joining me today for a conversation that might help you navigate something we all face at some point in life: dealing with angry people. Now I know this can be a tough subject. When someone gets upset, it is not always easy to keep you calm. But stick with me, we are going to explore this topic in a way that's rooted in science, psychology, and bit of culture. So you can better understand what is going on in these moments, and most importantly, how you can handle them with grace. I'm not here to tell you that you will never feel challenged or frustrated when someone's angry at you. It is not realistic, but I do want to give you some tools to help you respond in a way that feels empowering, not just the angry person, but you as well. So let's dive in. We will start understanding what is going on in the brain when anger takes over. I think this is a good place to begin because when we know what is happening inside someone's head, we have better chance to responding in a way that's more compassionate and less reactive. And understanding a little bit about how the brain works can change everything. When someone gets angry, their brain shifts into survival mode. The amygdala, that is like the brain alarm system, kick into high gear. It's what activates the fight or flight response. Adrenaline and cortisol flooded their body and everything feels intense. And at the same time, the part of the brain that handles reasoning and decision making, that is prefrontal cortex, kinds of take back a seat. And that's why in those moments it's hard for people to think clearly or stay calm. Sound familiar? Understanding this is powerful. It means their anger is not necessarily about you. It's about how their brain is reacting something it sees as a threat or frustration. And you have a chance to respond in a way that helps. So how do you do that? First, you stay calm. I know easier said than done, but here is why it's matter. Emotions are contagious. If someone's angry, it's easy for you to feel that anger too. And thanks to something in our brain called mirror neurons. But if you stay calm, you can actually influence them to start calming down too. Take deep breaths. Keep your voice steady. Relax your shoulder. These small things make a big difference. Now let's talk about what you said. When someone upset, they need to feel heard. You don't have to agree with them, but you can acknowledge their feelings. Try saying something like, "I can see you're really upset," or "that sounds frustrating." These words can help their brain to switch gears. There are also some things you will want to avoid saying. Have you ever told someone to calm down and it's just made them angrier more? That's because those words feel dismissive. Instead of keeping your language simple and non-threatening, speak slowly and softly. Sometimes less is more. And if things are really heated, it's okay to take a break. Stepping away gives both of you time to cool off. You might say, let's talk about this later when we are both feeling calmer. This is not avoiding the problem, it's giving your brain a chance to reset. Calm down and think of it. This isn't just about the handling anger in the moment. Over time, how you respond can shape your relationship. When you consistently stay calm and supportive, it builds trust. It creates a sense of safety. And that's make big difference in reducing conflict. But you can't pour from an empty cup, right? If you want to handle someone else's anger well, you need to take care of your own emotional health. That means paying attention to what triggers you, practicing mindfulness meditation, and finding way to stay grounded. Even something as simple as taking a few minutes to breathe deeply each day can help you. Let's look at the few examples. Say a co-worker is upset about a missed deadline. You might say, I can see why this is frustrating. Let's figure out how we can fix it together. Or in family argument, if someone is yelling, you could try, I hear that this is really important to you. Can we talk about it when we both calmer? Simple, thoughtful responses like this can make a big difference. So here is what I hope you take away from this. Anger is just the brain way to reacting to a stress. It's not personal, and you have a power to respond in a way that helps, not hurts. Stay calm, listen, give space when needed, and remember to take care of yourselves too. This small shift can lead to big changes. We all have the power to respond with the compassion and grace. And that's the first step towards creating a calmer, more understanding world. So thanks. If you try to this strategy, I would love to hear how it goes for you. See you in the next video.